Right, so we're on the Audioline 340, which I did extensive work on. This is a set which was very kindly donated to me by a gentleman which had belonged to his late father, and sadly it had been 80-channeled and ruined. So if you saw the video, you saw that I changed a few parts, the usual capacitors.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, now recording.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger.
So here it is working, and Mr Chippie is on his way.
It's just me with the gun.
And that's foreign interference.
Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. I just got a foreign lady come over.
Yeah, I remember a couple of years ago we used to get what sounded like a foreign taxi firm. It looks like it's back.
Yeah, I know we've got strange weather conditions today with our UHF repeaters playing up, shall we say.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. That's half the news will be open.
Yes, 149.9 I believe it was, and 171.9 or something to that effect.
Roger on that. So nice and clear. Right, fine. I'll just put you over to the extension speaker. You just say something, I'll just demonstrate the code.
Yep, Roger, right, we're coming up to Ancaster Crossroads, lights are red and we're about to be square wheeled.
Roger on that, thank you.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Can you close it again and press the wrong button?
Yeah, I just said we're going through Ancaster Crossroads now. We have done. Go on, been through.
Thank you very much. We're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
That's I. Roger on that. Can you just talk to me again? I pressed the wrong button.
Yeah, I just said we're going through Ancaster Crossroads now. We have done. Go on, been through.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so the tone is on the right there, and I had to add the capacitor back in because that had been removed, so they implemented that switch to activate the illegal modification.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
We've already got you going around Scratchy Corner loud and clear. I'm on an Audioline PT340, which is a Uniden built set from 1981, kindly donated to them by a gentleman from his late father. I'm on standard replacement microphone, over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
The log line is doing a full 4-1.
Wilsford level crossing. Over.
What have you got you going over Wilsford level crossing?
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
What have you got you at the Kelby turn?
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, right. That's so Roger is on the Grayleys turn. You'd like to pull over and we'll do a low power turn.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now in position at the 5 mile point. Over.
Tango 21, got you loud and clear at the position. Are you reading me okay?
Yep, pretty much loud and clear.
Okay, so I'll count down and go to low power. So here we are, low power, set audio line 340, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, it's 0.4 of a watt. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back to full power. Over.
Yep, that was very good, very clear on both, and no difference in S readings again.
Yep, there we go. Right, thanks for that. Continue.
Yep, roger that.
Mr Chippies, I just have to go to the door for a power source. I don't think he pulled me over.
Negative, but stay there. So we're now passing over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Well, you've got your Rossby level crossing, and have we got a petrol price?
Yep, 152.7 and 160, I've forgotten already. 164.9?
Okay, I'm sure somebody will make head this now and tail out to that. Right, well that's great, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, so we'll go over to our base station in a moment. Now, I say this radio came with a a damaged Echo power mic. We couldn't be using an Echo mic anyway, but I got corrosion from a battery which had been left in it. So we're going to use a standard replacement mic. Just one thing I'll talk about on these, on any set using this chassis, that goes for the two audio lines, the two Unidens, the base stations, and also the Realistic 2000 and Realistic 2001. They're a bit too bassy on the mics as supplied. And I think that these mics, the replacement ones, are a little bit more trebly, so it actually helps this chassis. So I can't show you how it is. We've done that before. We've had the original Uniden mics. You can look at the back catalogue. But in this case, it's probably going to sound better than they do with the factory mic. So we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Audioline 340 into our Midland 76900 base station using the standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you found that enjoyable and thanks for watching.